Hey guys, welcome in this new vlog. I hope that all of you are doing great. Today we are the 11th of September. It's about 11 a.m. in the morning. Not such a beautiful day outside, but hey, whatever, we are doing what we can with that. So today is just a regular trading day for me. Nothing is really much happening on the market, but I did take some trades earlier this week, which I will show you guys that. You will see some of my positions are also going very nicely from previous week and from the other vlogs that you guys saw. So I want to update you guys on that, and after I also want to give you guys just a little tip to improve your trading. Okay guys, so as always, let's take a look at the market. So AUD yen, Euro yen, Euro GBP and Euro NZD. So I'm not in Euro GBP, but I have a positions with the other pair. So AUD yen still going very nicely. If you guys remember, I added a position on it. This is the 4-hour chart, so I have a buy from those level right here, and now we're here as you guys can see, so it's going very well. And I also took a sell on Euro NZD, so it's in a little profit right now, nothing really big, but I'm in a sell from around those levels here, so it's going very nice as you guys can see. And I'm watching other pairs. We are getting very nice setup on the market. Some of these setups that we have been waiting for quite some time, and they seem ready to play out very soon in the future, so that is very nice for that. I am just waiting to see how they will develop. And I also have gold right here, and as always the news right there. Alright, so in this vlog I don't want to talk too much about trading because I already showed you guys my trades, and it's, there's nothing really more to say about it. It's a regular trading day, nothing is really happening on the market. It's a pretty slow day actually. So what I want to talk about in this video is how to basically improve your entries on the market. Alright, now a lot of people have difficulties with knowing when to enter on the market, right? They don't know if they should take the trade here or there, or for this reason or for that reason. Like, they are a little lost in all of that. So I want in this video to try to give you guys some points that you can basically take in consideration when it comes to your entries. So first of all, the single most important rule that you must always respect when it comes to entering the market is that you need to wait for some type of confirmation. All right. Now, depending, your strategy, your trading style, what we call confirmation will be different for different people, right? So, for example, for someone it might be that the price reached a support, or that you have a pattern that you know about that can show a reversal, or that you cross your moving averages, right? Like, it depends on your trading style, it depends on how you trade, but you always need to wait for that confirmation. Now, there are a few problems with that a lot of people do, which is the reason why it is not working, even if they follow this tip that I just gave you. So the first reason is that their confirmation is bullshit. All right, they wait for a confirmation, but that confirmation doesn't mean anything. It's not, valuable. It's not good information. They have learned to trade from the wrong people. They have the wrong concepts in mind and the wrong perception of their trading, and they will take trades because of their confirmation, when in fact it's like there's no confirmation at all. It's actually not a good place to take the trade. So that's the first problem. Like, even people who know that they need to wait for some type of confirmation, well, if in their mind they have the wrong conception of trading, right, and of the chart, well, they will wait for a confirmation, but in reality it's not even a confirmation, which is why a lot of times it will simply not work. So that's the first reason. The second reason is that most people don't have the discipline to stick to their plan. Now, another problem as well, which is linked to this one, is that a lot of people simply don't backtest their strategy. A lot of people, they will start to trade a certain way. They will start to, place their entry here, their stop loss here, their take profit here, but they haven't even tested that, right? And that's a huge problem. Like, if you want to be profitable in trading, you need to do your homework, right? You need to practice your strategy. You need to backtest your strategy on hundreds of trades to see if you are able to be profitable. And remember that when you backtest, there are many bias in your mind that are playing against you, and when you backtest, usually you will have better results than in your real trading, because when you trade for real and when it's really happening, you need to be patient, you have your emotions and all of those things that you need to take in consideration. So when you backtest, your results that you will get from this backtesting will usually be better than when you are trading live with real money. So that's also something to take in consideration. But most people, as I said, they either don't backtest or they don't have the discipline to respect their trading plan. If they backtested or not, it doesn't really matter, but a lot of people don't have this discipline, as I said. So those are really the main problems that I've seen most people having when it comes to just their entries. And when you are able to solve these things, well, after that, like, entries are very easy. Okay, when you understand what you're doing, when you understand the chart, when you understand the setup and all of these things, the entry is really simple, honestly. Like for me, like I'm never like questioning a lot of time where I should enter, where I should place my stop and all of that. Like it's pretty much like common sense to me. It's like it's natural at this point because I've tested my way of trading so much. I've done so much backtesting. I've seen like so many different possibilities on the market that I know what to do in pretty much all given situation. You understand? So that makes me really powerful because there is no hesitation when it comes to taking my trade. There is no like overthinking or, should I take the trade here or should I wait a little bit or should I do this or that? Like, no, there's no overthinking. If I see setup that I know, I'll take the trade. That's it. Like, it's really that simple. Like for me, my entries, they literally like take me 2 seconds to find on the chart. I'm not even exaggerating, and the reason why I'm telling you guys this is because that's the level that you should aim to be on, right? That's the level that you should try to reach, because if not, well, you are likely just not going to be very profitable in your trading. And if you are watching this video, well, I guess that you want to be profitable, right? I guess that you want to succeed in trading. So the best way to do this is to simply, as I said, do your homework, right? So when you do that and when you have backtested a lot your way of trading, and if you see that it works, well, after that there is no hesitation and you will be able to know very easily where is your entry, where should be your stop, and where should be your take profit. So that's basically the idea. That's what I wanted to talk about in this video, simply because I've seen so many people struggle with this over the past few years that I've been into the trading industry, and even to this day, there's so many people that struggle with entries. They don't know where to take their trade, they don't know when they should get out of the trade, when they should move their stop, and all of these things. So the key to find that out is to simply, as I said, do your homework, right? When you backtest, when you study, and when you know how to trade, everything after that becomes easier. But first, before that easy part, as I said, you need to actually put in the work to get there. That's the idea, and most people, well, they will not put in the work, they don't have the discipline, and all of these things that I talk about in the video. So that is the idea. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I wanted to keep it short, just because I don't want to overextend and talking forever for no reason. So that is what I wanted to cover in today's vlog. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like under it. I would truly appreciate it, and you can also share the video around you if you want. All right, so on that, take care, trade with care, manage money well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.